back to another video. Today's video, I I went on Discord, right? I went on Discord and Carolo typed in on the Discord chat Kaiser. So let's wait. Let me go in the link. Okay, the Emperor is coming. Oh my gosh, Kaiser is actually coming to Blue Lock Rivals. The Emperor. It just says the Emperor is coming. In this episode, we'll air Kaiser OMG. Carolo's finally not trolling anymore. And he will be adding Kaiser. So, can't wait for that. So guys, let's go over Kaiser's moves. So Kaiser's moveset, I think that he will have. For Kaiser's moveset, his first base move, obviously, Kaiser Impact. Obviously, for the rarity, he will be world class. But for his first base move, I think it will be Kaiser Impact because his name is Kaiser and his signature shot is the Kaiser Impact. That's why I think it would be Kaiser Impact, and a lot of people think it would be Kaiser Impact. It's common technology. It's common knowledge. And for his next move, I think it would be. I'm gonna say off the ball first. For his next move, I think it will be Predator Eye because Predator Eye is a complete opposite of Metavision and narrows it down to only the goalkeeper and the best spot to score the goal. And that's just actually I think never mind. I think the first off the ball movement will be Metavision because Kaiser has Metavision if you didn't know that. And for his second off the ball movement, just like Isagi, he will have off the ball movement because it says that in the Blue Lock wiki, and he has good off the ball movement in the manga. And now let's get right to his on the ball movement. So his first on the ball movement will be Kaiser. So I say Kaiser Impact. The next one will be Predator and Predator. Explain Predator and I think that he will have a dribbling move, but in the wiki it just says dribbling because I think it will be like a Bachira dribbling move, but with more animation, where it leaves a not too far distance, because Kaiser is mostly known for shooting. I think it will be like a Bachira move. And then for his awakening, I separated it already, yeah. I think I separated it. For his awakening, I think it will be Kaiser. First of all, I think that all the moves in his awakening will be a shot move. So the first one, I think that they will keep Kaiser Impact in his awakening, but make it like way stronger than the normal one. His second move will be probably Kaiser Impact Magnus. If you don't know what's that, he takes a shot, but instead of he takes the Kaiser Impact Magnus, he takes a shot, the ball spins at the same speed the ball curls, but it's the same speed as the Kaiser Impact. And then for his third and final move in Awakening, I think that it will be Kaiser Impact Bicycle Kick. If you don't know what's the Kaiser Impact Bicycle Kick, it's but I think the two players needs to be in next to you or in front of you or behind you to use the Kaiser Impact Bicycle Kick, because for the Kaiser Impact Bicycle Kick, I think he does it against Ubers where it goes over Ryu and Haiku. Wait, let me just go look it up. So as he does it over, he does the bicycle kick jab 220 against Ubers, and he ends up not making two people in the process. That's how I looked it up. But so yeah, that's what I think is gonna be in the Kaiser update. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.